The Ganges is both sacred and one of the 10 most polluted rivers in the world. It is salted by more than 1,500 million liters of non-treated industrial wastewater a day, representing a rate of pollution 3,000 times that recommended by the World Health Organization. The Indian government is attempting to reduce pollution by closing tanneries that discharge highly toxic water into the river, linking houses to drains, building wastewater treatment plants and better protecting the fauna and flora. However, the task is huge. The robot is a technological solution proposed by the young Indian entrepreneur Akash Sinha, who is participating in the combat against this degradation of the country's rivers. The robot was tested successfully in the Yamuna River in New Delhi, in the framework of the Ganges River Action Plan of the Ministry of Water Resources. The engineers who designed it estimate that 50 such devices would be capable of cleaning the river in 6 months. Le Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, has acknowledged the robot technology as one of the 20 most promising innovations to emerge from India in 2013. It was also acknowledged by USAID as one of the 5 most promising innovations of 2013 in the area of water and drainage. The robot is still in the development and experimental phase, in particular to increase the load it can carry. Its designers are in discussion with the Indian government to extend its use.